I'm here with Carlos Chavez on Tuesday, July 6th at the Roosevelt Island New York Public Library branch. And Carlos has some great news for the Roosevelt Island community.
Greetings, Roosevelt Islanders. I have very good news for everyone. We have finally entered what is known as the restoration phase at the Roosevelt Island Library. And what that means is that we are almost fully open to the community. And these are the new services that we are offering in the restoration phase. Indoor seating, so you will see all our furniture is set up along the main area of the library, as well as the children's room, which is all the way in the back. And patrons can stay at the library as long as they want during our hours of operation. All our computers are back in service. That includes desktops and laptops. You can reserve them with your library card. We also have photocopying services and scanning services available. And our community room is also back in service. So later this month, we will be having programs at the library.
Okay, and what are the hours?
Our hours remain the same for now. That's 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Those are still our pandemic hours.
Okay, and the copy and scanning machine, how does that work?
So if you need to make copies of a paper, you can just go ahead and make a copy. But if you have the documents on your flash drive, then you will plug the flash drive to the side of the photocopier over here, and then you would go about making prints. It's 20 cents per page for black and white copies, and you can also scan. Scanning is free.
Okay, and when do you think our programs at the library will start?
So we have some programs scheduled already for the month of July. You can see over here, July 13th, our adult librarian Danielle is going to have an origami hour at 2 p.m. And July 29th, we're going to have the WNYC book club at 2 p.m., which is going to take place in the community room. Both programs will take place in the community room. And you will also be seeing more programs in the coming days for children and for adults.
Great, thank you very much. It's great news.
You're welcome, Rick. We look forward to seeing you at the library. Thank you.
We look forward to coming.